A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to start for continuously question class 7 subject maths. This one lecture number 9 for chapter 3 properties of triangle. In previous lecture all of you done question number first number classification of triangle basis on arms and sides. Today we are going to start new types classification of triangle on the basis of angles. You know how to measure angles? Yes, with help of protractor we measure angle. You know protractor. This figure number 44. Now let's see, this one is shape of protractor. This start from 0, 10, 20, then this one is 19, known as 0 to 89, known as acute angle, 90 degree, right angle, then more than 90 to 180 degree, known as obtuse angle. Acute angle, right angle, then more than 90 degree, obtuse angle. It means this side is acute angle part, this one is right angle straight, and this one is obtuse angle part, and 180 degree complete straight angle. Okay, so with help of protractor we measure angle, and angle is shown degree form. Now let's see their types basis on angle. First number, acute angled triangle. According to name acute angle, it means more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. So related definition is also triangle. A triangle in which all the three angles are acute angles is called a acute angle triangle. It means all angles is less than 90 degree. Now let's see their example. Triangle ABC, angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 60 degree, angle C is also 60 degree. And let's see this one, their sums will be 0. 60 plus 60 120, and 120 plus 60 180. And we know that the sum of three angle of triangle is 180 degree, and their all angles are equal. It means this one known as also equilateral triangle. Okay, now question is example number 2, triangle PQR. Angle P is 50 degree and this one is 50 degree, so this other one is angle P is 50 degree, other one is question angle Q is 65 degree, and this one is also 65 degree. Now let's see their diagram. I am drawing without measure but acute angle form. So first draw line segment AB, A, B. This one is line segment, and this one is C. This one is 60 degree, this one also 60 degree, and this one also 60 degree. All angles are equal, it means their sides also equal. Okay, now let's see second number definition, right angle triangle. According to right angle means 90 degree, same related to triangle form. A triangle in which one of the angle, remember one of the angle is right angle, is known as right angle triangle. One angle will be right angle. It means their first time example, triangle ABC, angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 45 degree. Draw their line segment, and this one is right angle triangle 90 degree. This one is A, angle B, then angle C. According to angle A is 45 degree, angle B 90 degree, and angle C is 45 degree. Then second triangle PQR, angle P 40 degree, angle Q 90 degree, angle R 50 degree. And then sum check, 50 plus 40 90, and 90 plus 90 180. This one very important. First they check their sums. If their sum will be not 180 degree, it means not a triangle. Okay, now let's see third number definition. Third number definition, obtuse angle triangle. You know, obtuse angle, it means more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Now let's see example. Sorry, definition, a triangle in which one of the angle is obtuse. Only one angle is obtuse is an obtuse angled triangle. Their example, triangle ABC, angle A is 30 degree, angle B is 120 degree, angle C is 30 degree. How to get this one obtuse angle triangle? There one angle will be one more than 90 degree. It means obtuse angle. Their angle B is 120 degree, is known as obtuse angle triangle. Angle 1, 2 and 3. Second number, triangle XYZ. Angle X is 40 degree, angle Y is 110 degree, angle Z is 30 degree. Identify this one, which types of triangle. This one is any one angle is obtuse angle, so known as obtuse angle triangle. Now let's see their diagram. Their angle B is 120 degree, this one is 120 degree, then angle A, B and C. Angle A is 30 degree and this one is also 30 degree. Obtuse angle triangle. Now let's see the note, very important note. An equilateral triangle has three equal sides and equal angle, and each angle is 60 degree. In an isosceles triangle, if one of angle is 90 degree, isosceles triangle, it means their two sides are equal. Then one is 90 degree, then other two angles are 45 and 45 degree. And 45 plus 45 90, and 90 plus 90 180 degree. If you want to check this type, so we check, therefore angle A, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, you know, it means angle A and B x degree, so this one angle B is also x degree. Then angle C is given there 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Whole equal x plus x, 2x degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. This one changing side, 2x is equal to 180, positive change into negative, 180 minus 90, 90 degree is equal to 2x, multiply change into divide, x, multiply change into divide, x, 90 upon 2. So x is equal to 45 degree. This one is our answer. Remember all of it, the sum of three angle of triangle will be 180 degree. Now let's see their homework questions. Homework question there are. First number, write and learn definition of triangle basis on angle with example. Question 2, where is the question 2? This one, classify the triangle on basis of measure of given sides, arms and angles. They written first number question, measure arms, sides and types of triangle. So first learn definition, then after solve this one. All question are easy. If you want take screenshot, take it. Okay, good day.